Day 29. There's Rhonda. Nebraska, Rhonda. Day 29. Not something like this will probably happen again. They're asking us to vacate the sleeping in the vehicles here in front of the National Art Gallery. We got 2 potties. We just got a permit, so we got a permit, but they don't till the 8th of August. Today's the 3rd of August. So all that in the sun right there is the National Mall. These are all our little groups. There's probably 40 or 50 of us here right now. Playing badminton, chit-chatting. A lot of live streaming going on. People talking to the tourists, but not as much lately. We leave all the signs, do the talking, and got flyers all over. But this will be our last day, full day, to be able to do it in this manner here on the National Mall. And it's been an honor to do it. I don't think it'll be done again. They wouldn't let us get away with so much time again. They thought they had reasons to keep us loused to be here this long, but now they want us to go. So tonight's the night. Most of the folk are going back to Bunker Hill for about 3 weeks till that Congress and Senate there comes back in session in September. God help America. God help America. God help America. God help America. Amen.